crazy.
Click on that one again.
I am a perfect dragons. I see dragons. You can't handle the truth. I want to go to Mexico. Do they have Chatman there? Let me out of here! That makes me crazy!
You want to eat it, huh?
Can we build our own bunk beds, please? Have you ever eaten a carpet? It's mushy. That makes me crazy! I'm alive! Alive, I tell you!
I'm doing the heroic.
Okay, this is heroic, Chatman.
Go crazy. Don't go crazy. Do I have to do a different one? I'll do the cool guy. He's funny.
Okay, cool guy, Chatman.
Do I have to say something first or what?